Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to change your profile picture on Telegram web using your PC. If you're looking to refresh your profile or just want to switch things up, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Telegram web. If you're not already logged in, enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your profile and other preferences. Now in the Settings menu, look for the Edit option. Click on that and you'll see your current profile picture along with an option to change it. Click on your photo and a file dialog will pop up. It's time to select a new picture. Browse through your files and choose the image you want to use. Once you've found the perfect photo, click Open. You'll see a preview of your new profile picture. Before making it official, you'll need to confirm the change. Look for the confirmation button, which is usually labeled Save or something similar. Click it. And just like that, your new profile picture is set. And there you have it. Changing your profile picture on Telegram web is a simple process. And with this new update, it's even easier to keep your profile fresh and updated. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.